Children are like birds in the garden, should be lovingly and carefully nurtured, as they are the future of our nation. These beautiful and golden lines are being said by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji, who lovingly known as Chacha Nehru. Hello everyone and welcome to our next podcast of Between the Bells. Let's talk Litera Kids. I am your host Miss Arvina Ali and we are here for a most beautiful and joyous day of the year, that is Children's Day. And along with me we have two bright students of a Litera. So kids, come on, introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Elisa and I'm super excited because today is all about love, laughter and being kids.
Hello everyone, and I am Kavyansh. I love Children's Day because it's full of colors, smiles, and stories that make us feel really happy and proud to be the children.
Yes, kids, this day is all about celebrating you, your dreams, your achievements, your goals, your passion. So, this day is all about you.
Yes.
So, kids, as you know, in today's podcast session, I'll be asking you so many questions. So, the first one will be having a fun round, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, kids, just let me know when you hear the word Children's Day, what is the first thought that comes to your mind?
Ma'am, chocolate games and the performances done by teachers.
Okay, so you're waiting for the performances.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, kids, we are definitely going to do something special for you all.
Yes, ma'am, and lots of fun with friends. It's the happiest day of the year.
Yeah, I agree. It is the happiest day of the year. And when I was at your age in school, I also used to feel that Children's Day is the happiest day of the year because lot of freedom, lot of activities, and lot of enjoyment. So, children, as you mentioned me, that this day is the happiest day of the year.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
know why do we celebrate this day?
Yes, ma'am. It's the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister.
Yeah, our first Prime Minister. Yes,
Yes,
Kavyansh.
Eliza. He loved children so much and always said that children are the real strength and hope of the nation.
Yeah, I do agree with this that you are the hope and the strength of the nation and you are going to build a beautiful nation. And I think you will make me believe in my words. Is it true?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I can see that spark and that light in on your faces that we are going to have a good nation ahead. So kids, today I'm giving you a chance to make a rule, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Like
ma'am.
we make rules, now you are getting the chance to make rule, okay? So Kavyansh, ready for making a rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so kids, if on Children's Day, I allow you or we allow you to make a rule, what is the rule you're going to implement on Children's Day?
No homework ever, just games and laughter.
I knew it, no homework. Then,
I will make a rule that every classroom should have a laughter break every hour.
yeah, I think you're already having a laughter break.
Yes, ma'am.
You're having? So kids, like you told me that Children's Day should be celebrated like this. I think you have already celebrated in such a way. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are telling me all these points. Now tell me, what do you like the most about Children's Day in your school?
Ma'am, I love it when our school is colorful and bright with decorations, balloons, and happy faces all around.
Yeah, even I feel lovely when I see our school is decorated beautifully for Children's Day. Because kids, you are only the source by which we can have a better nation. Yes, Kavyansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And the fun activities, especially when teachers perform.
Okay, so you're waiting for teachers to perform. We are also ready to perform something for you.
Or tell a story about their school days. I love that part.
Yeah. When we tell story about our school days to you all, it recalls our time also. And you are getting so many facilities and our time we were not more into technology, but you all are into. So you're getting a lot of things to explore, learn, and children, please use it nicely. Okay? It will help us to build a nation which Jawaharlal Nehru, Chacha Nehru wanted. Okay, so do you feel these days as a festival?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Even
ma'am.
I feel. Because lots of color, lot of enjoyment, lot of happiness,
Yes.
So we feel this way. Kids, now let's have one imaginative round. Okay? So,
ma'am.
do you want to have an imaginative round?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In which you just have to imagine, relax and imagine. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
for that you need to close your eyes. Okay. Imagine today Chacha Nehru has entered Mount Litra Z school. Okay. And
Yes,
now
ma'am.
he's coming to your class. And tell me, what do you want to tell him?
Ma'am, I'll walk up to him and say, Chacha ji, you made this day for us and we promise to make you proud.
Yes, and I would show him how we study with smart boards and Litra Hub. How learning has become so creative now. I think he had smiled saying that children are learning with joy.
Yeah, like I'm smiling when I'm listening to you both because if Chacha Nehru would have been here and if he would have been listening to you all, no, definitely he would have given a big smile because he always dreamed to have a nation where children are going to build a good growth and a better nation. Okay.
Yes,
So I can see that spark in your eyes, and I hope all the children are also following his principles and also telling about his life and using it in their own life. So kids, like when you hear this, that Chacha Nehru has devoted his life for children. Okay, so when he devoted his life for children, like you for you children, he devoted his life. How do you feel about thinking this thought?
Ma'am, it feels so special. When I hear his words,
Hmm.
I feel like he was talking directly to us, reminding us to dream and learn every day.
Yeah, right. Even I agree with that. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It feels like he trusted children more than anyone. It makes me want to be kind, honest, and hardworking, just like he wanted us to be.
Yeah, when I heard now you said kind, I felt very good, very happy because Chacha Nehru always wanted that our country should bring growth, and you are only the source by which we can have a growth in our country. Yes.
Yes,
So he
ma'am.
wanted to make better India by you children. So seeing having such a positive thought and such a bright thought is very amazing. So kids, it was amazing talking to you. So we wrap up this session, and when I wrap up this session, I want to tell all the listeners that you are unique, you are strong, and you are the heartbeat of nation. And do not stop believing in yourself. When you believe in yourself, you can achieve great things in life. Do you agree, kids? If you believe in yourself, you'll achieve great things in life.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And you know, the life looks beautiful when you see from the eyes of kids. And it is just like a plain paper. Just like a plain paper, the way you'll write it, the way you'll become. So, all the best, have a good future, and I would suggest all the listeners to please follow the principle of Chacha Nehru. He has devoted his life only for you all. So, kids, do you want to convey anything to all the listeners?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on, move. Yes, Liza, do you want to say something? Come on.
Just be good and believe in yourself.
Yeah, if you're believing, nothing is impossible. Yeah, everything is possible.
Yes, ma'am. And to all my friends, Happy Children's Day.
Okay, so as we celebrate this special day, Children's Day, I want to tell that at Mount Litra Z School, we believe at one tagline. So kids, do you know about that tagline?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me?
Nurturing potential and unleashing brilliance.
Kids, do follow it because it will definitely bring growth in your life. So, wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. Keep smiling, keep growing. Thank you, kids. It was wonderful listening you both. Thank you so much. See you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.